Hello guys, welcome back. Chimamanda's family reacts to father's death. The family of the late Professor James Nwunye Adichie, the father of renowned writer Chimamanda Adichie, has formally announced his demise. A statement by Chuks Adichie, made available, described the deceased as someone who had fulfilled life. The statement said upon his retirement, the late Professor Adichie lived in his hometown, Aba, Njikoka local government area, Anambra State, until his death. The statement reads, "A life so beautifully lived deserves to be beautifully remembered. With deepest sorrow, the Adichie family announced the death of our beloved husband and father, Professor James Nwunye Adichie, June 10, 2020. He was 88 years old. He received his PhD in statistics from Berkeley and went on to become Nigeria's first professor of statistics. His dedicated life's work was at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where he was named Professor Emeritus in 2016. Upon his retirement, he lived in his old town in Aba, Njikoka local government area, Anambra State. He is survived by his wife, Mrs. Grace Ifeoma Adichie. There are 6 children: Ijeoma Adichie, Uchenna Adichie, Chuks Adichie, Okechukwu Adichie, Chimamanda Adichie, and Kenechukwu Adichie, as well as 9 grandchildren, in-laws, and many relatives. The funeral arrangements will be announced in due course in line with the new burial law in Anambra State. So guys, if you have anything to say, let's wish him well. Let his soul rest in peace. And drop your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.